A $25 million Ethereum heist by MIT graduates in just 12 seconds is shaking the crypto world. Two brothers face federal charges for allegedly manipulating Ethereum's transaction validation to trick automated trading bots. Their defense argues it's market exploitation, not theft, sparking debates on MEV and future crypto regulation. Despite a staggering $1.2 billion outflow from US spot Bitcoin ETFs this week, pushing BTC to a 4-month low, a surprising trend is emerging. Both Bitcoin and Ethereum ETFs saw significant redemptions, with Bitcoin's largest single-day outflow since August, hitting over $536 million. However, Charles Schwab reports a 90% surge in client interest for crypto products, indicating underlying demand despite market volatility. If you're tracking crypto, renowned analyst John Bollinger just flagged a critical pattern in Ethereum and Solana charts that demands attention. He identified potential W-bottom formations, a bullish reversal signal in ETH and SOL, hinting at significant upward price movement. Though Bitcoin hasn't formed this W yet, its historical response to Bollinger's alert suggests close market monitoring is warranted. The recent crypto market crash just exposed a harsh truth about Wall Street's altcoin ETF strategy. After billions in market value vanished, Wall Street is now dumping high-risk altcoin ETFs, revealing the extreme instability of these assets. With 130 altcoin ETF applications pending, this crash highlights the disconnect between regulatory approval and investor protection in the digital asset Wild West. Binance just announced its 54th HODLer airdrop, distributing over 15 million ZBT tokens to eligible BNB holders. ZBT is a prover network for zero-knowledge on-chain yield, enhancing blockchain scalability and privacy across BNB Smart Chain, Ethereum, and Base. If you committed BNB to simple earn or on-chain yields between October 11 to 13, 2025, check your spot account. Trading begins October 17th. Imagine if the energy-intensive world of Bitcoin mining suddenly became a critical backbone for artificial intelligence. Google is investing billions in companies like Cypher Mining and TeraWulf, not just for crypto, but to leverage their infrastructure for AI workloads, emphasizing clean energy. This strategic pivot transforms miners into key players in the AI sector, offering more stable profits and potentially redefining the entire digital infrastructure landscape. Japan's 3 largest banks are making a monumental move, uniting to launch a yen-pegged stablecoin to revolutionize their payment systems. MUFG, Sumitomo Mitsui, and Mizuho aim to enhance value transfer for corporate clients and streamline cross-border payments, potentially even with a USD stablecoin. This initiative is driven by Japan's clear crypto regulations and the growing global demand for diversified stablecoins, signaling a major shift in the financial landscape. Many thought investing in Bitcoin through company stocks was a safer bet, but this strategy just cost retail investors $17 billion. Firms like Metaplanet and Strategy traded at huge premiums, often 40 to 50% above their actual Bitcoin holdings. When Bitcoin dipped, these leveraged proxy stocks plummeted twice as hard, highlighting the amplified risks of indirect exposure. If you're watching Bitcoin, its critical $104,000 support is now extremely fragile, directly reflecting the ongoing U.S. regional banking crisis. Massive liquidations totaling $1.19 billion have amplified market anxiety, threatening a potential drop to $88,000 and impacting altcoins like Ethereum and BNB. This volatility underscores how deeply intertwined crypto is with traditional finance and geopolitical tensions, like US-China trade disputes, demanding vigilance from all market participants. While the crypto market reels from new tariffs, a surprising trend is emerging among US-made digital assets. Solana is holding key support with a bullish, ascending channel, while Dash broke out of a bull flag, showing strong buyer conviction. SKALE also sees significant accumulation from both large and retail investors, signaling potential rallies for these assets. Top economists are watching closely as President Trump just called US-China tariffs not sustainable. In a Fox Business interview, Trump stated high tariffs against China are not sustainable, a key shift after tensions pushed tariffs to 145%. Bitcoin initially dropped to $103.500, then rebounded to $106.000, showing crypto's immediate reaction to these major geopolitical developments. If you thought blockchain was only for secure transactions, a new cybercrime group is proving otherwise. UNC 5142 uses ether hiding, leveraging BNB Smart Chain smart contracts, like automated vending machines, to distribute info-stealing malware for Windows and macOS. Their evolving 3-contract architecture makes these blockchain-powered attacks more resilient, harder to stop, and incredibly cheap to update.